I'm going to show you the photos of this fixer-upper for sale, and then I'm going to ask you to try not to fall too heavily in love, because I am still hoping that someday this house will be mine, because it is 100% my dream house. And the only thing keeping me from buying it is the fact that it's just a bit too far for me to commute from New York City. But if you are looking for a house in the South, this one is perfect. It's in the beautiful PD region of South Carolina in the town of Society Hill, and it's one of the most historically significant homes in the entire region. It's known as Bellevue. It dates all the way back to 1845, and after decades of neglect, it's finally in the past few years been in the hands of an amazing owner who has done incredible things to stabilize the house and restore many of its significant features. And he is now looking to turn the house over to a new owner who will appreciate this house in all of its architectural beauty. Just to give you an idea of what the current owner has done to help bring this house back to its former glory, he actually had old heart pine custom milled to match the floors in other rooms of the house and put in rooms that were missing floors. He painstakingly replicated many of the doors. He rewired the house, he insulated it, he outfitted it with a standing seam galvanized roof, and he reconstructed and/or restored many of the outbuildings. If the gorgeous home is not enough, it sits on 18 beautiful acres. The front door is such a welcome to this house. It's flanked by columns and a gorgeous fan light. And when you open the door, you see this floating staircase that looks like something out of a movie. But the archways in all of the hallways, the custom millwork, the windows that reach from the floor to the ceilings, the beautiful and iconic chimneys on this house, which the current owner also restored, these are all things that you just don't see on new houses, and you don't see on most historical homes either, which makes this one extra special. All of this house and the 18 acres are for sale for $275,000, which probably wouldn't get you much of a closet in New York City where I live. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow CIRCAoldhouses.com for more beautiful historical homes all over the country.